Fatima, for knowing so much about me. And how are you all? All right. So let me first introduce myself again. I am Mohammed Faria Amir and I am from Suryapet. I have been recently selected for the post of Junior Civil Judge in the state of Telangana. So today's my talk will be bilingual, so please bear with me. And today I'll be sharing with you about my journey and hopefully answer all of your toughest questions at the end. Yeah. First, let me ask you, how many of you have a dream? Dream of buying a car, dream of buying a private jet, or dream of getting settled in India or in US or whatever? Everyone of you have a dream, right? Yes. Alright, so are you really working towards your dream? Yes. MashaAllah, that's very good. So, you know that the path to your dream is to study or is to work hard, right? But I'll just simplify for you the process. I'll just tell you the steps to follow, to reach your destination or to achieve your goal, all right? The first step is to believe in Allah. To have faith in Allah that He definitely knows the best and He gives you the best. And fortunately, you all have both the Islamic education and the English modern education, but in my schooling I didn't have Islamic education. I had to go to private, Mul Sahib ke paas jana pada mere ko seekhne ke liye. So you are very fortunate that you are being trained for both deen and dunya. So you are very fortunate, so be thankful for it and work towards it. And right now you are in the school, right? आपके लाइफ में कुछ ज़्यादा complications नहीं है, ठीक है? You just have to listen to your teachers and your parents, because no teacher or no parent in this world will mislead you. Am I right or not? Yes. So it is your duty. It is a very simple duty you have right now is to listen to your teachers in one hand and your parents on the other hand. Both of them will guide you to a straight, a good path. And the third step is to choose your path consciously. Okay? We all know that usage of excessive mobile phones is harmful for us, but then we will not be willing to give up on it, right? So if you come out of your comfort zone and try to achieve your goal, or try to work hard, or try to play badminton, or try to write an essay, or try to paint, or whatever it is, whatever interest you have in, then only you will excel. It is like you have to come out of the comfort zone. And on that note, I would like to share my journey. From 2013 to 2017, I have completed my engineering. As you all know, engineering is like very different field from law, from LLB, right? Yes. So then I have got the placement job in my campus during my campus interviews, but then I didn't join. I thought that was not my place to stay there. Okay. Then I began to do my LLB. Okay. So it was like everyone who know me used to tell me, why did you start doing LLB now? That is the reason, because I studied for civil services. You all know IAS, IPS, right? Yes. So I have prepared to become an IAS officer or IPS officer for 2 years. For 2 continuous years. I failed twice. I got disheartened because अच्छी खासी नौकरी थी जो मैं छोड़ के आई, ठीक है? And 2 साल मैंने पढ़ने में लगा दी, लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं, right? Everyone used to mock me, like वो जॉब ही कर लेना था, ठीक है? Apart from my parents, fortunately I have been encouraged by my parents, but everyone used to tell, why did you leave your job? Corporate job अच्छी खासी थी, क्यों छोड़ दिए, क्यों पढ़ना है, 2 साल फेल हो गए. That was my situation. Then I realized, ठीक है, लोग तो कहेंगे, लोग का काम ही है कहना का. I have prepared and then I joined LLB. ठीक है, आफ्टर BTech 2 साल के बाद मैं LLB ज्वाइन करी. आपको तो अभी अवेयरनेस मिल रहा, अभी से सर बड़े बड़े लोग आपके साथ हैं and they are just guiding you to join LLB right now itself, but then I didn't have proper awareness to join. ठीक है. So I joined LLB then. I have did 3 years of my LLB. I have completed, and then I tried to attempt judicial services examination, and hopefully and luckily I cleared the exam in the first attempt. So my hard work. So my hard work was not only the 1 year which I have prepared, but it was from 2017 till 2023. So what I am going to say is you have to be patient. डट के रहना चाहिए. आप ऐसे ही बैठ जाओ, कुछ हो रहा नहीं हो रहा, it doesn't matter. आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, लगे रहो उसी में. You need not worry about, you know, will this happen or not, because Allah is always with you. आपकी अगर intention सही है तो God will definitely give what you deserve, right? Yes. Right. And the 4th step, eat healthy and stay healthy. Fit रहना चाहिए. You have a ground, so go. आप sports में involved होना चाहिए. Play well, eat well, stay healthy. ठीक है. That is the 4th step, which is very important, because you may tend to neglect your health now, but that will definitely, you know, have effects on your future. All right. And schooling, you know, every one of us will miss their school days at any point of their life. So make good friends, have, you know, good companions, cherish those moments, and stay happy also. And for girls especially, since here it is a large group of girls whom am I addressing, I would like to, you know, ask a question. How many of you have listened to the stories कि मेरा भाई मेरे घर में इज़्ज़त नहीं देगा मुझे, या फिर मेरे ससुराल वाले, you know, मेरे मामी को ससुराल वाले इज़्ज़त नहीं देते, या फिर मेरे बहन के ससुराल वाले उसको अच्छा ट्रीट नहीं करते, you know, ऐसे stories. How many of you know? Is there anyone who haven't listened to such stories? Is there anyone who haven't listened to such stories? See, this is the minority which we have. मतलब every one of you have listened to such stories, right? Yes. ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ सुने होंगे आप लोग. Let us be honest. Yes. There are many men here, but I'm sure that they are all for gender equality. But you have listened to such stories, right? Yes. अगर उसका सामना करना चाहिए, if you don't want anybody to, you know, to disrespect you, आपको नीचे गिराने की किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होती. If you are studying, right? If you are economically independent. Economically independent का मतलब जानते हो कि you need not depend on money for anyone, right? Emotionally independent होना चाहिए कि आपको पता होना चाहिए these are my boundaries, right? This thing I can accept, this thing I cannot accept. Okay? If you are emotionally and economically independent, किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होती आपको नीचे गिराने की, ना ससुराल वाले, ना घर वाले, ना महल्ले वाले. All right? So मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग मेरे जाने के बाद आपके टीचर्स को पूछिए ये बात कि मैम ये जो बोले वो सही था या नहीं. शायद आप लोग वो लोग मुझसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर सकते इस बारे में, related to this. All right? So that is the one advice I would like to give to you, that, you know, your hubul hai can wait. All right? If your parents are forcing you to get married soon, you know, please tell them. Please sit and talk to them. ठीक है? Tell them that your concern is that you want to study hard. ठीक है? Most of the parents आजकल के ऐसा तो नहीं कर रहे, but there are a few. So please let your parents know that you want to study, you want to pursue this thing or that thing. कुछ भी हो, आपको जज बनना है बन जाओ, इंजीनियर बनना है बन जाओ, डॉक्टर बन जाना है बन जाओ, anything you want to pursue in life, let them know. अगर आप दिल में ही रखें ये बात, अगर आप जाहिर नहीं कर रहे तो उनको भी पता नहीं चलता. ठीक है कि आपको ख्वाहिश है ये बनने का. ठीक है, they'll definitely support you. All right? Please let them know, sit and talk, and, you know, stand up for yourself. That is the only thing which you can do. All right? And the last thing I want to address, learn the local language. Okay? Alongside Urdu, learn both Telugu and Hindi. अगर करिकुलम में नहीं है तो प्लीज़ ऐड कर लीजिए, बट लर्न बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस, बिकॉज आजकल के कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड में इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू लर्न बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस. अगर आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब होना है, गवर्नमेंट का सर्वेंट बनना है, तो इट इज़ मैंडेटरी फॉर यू टू लर्न दैट लैंग्वेज. सो प्लीज़ फोकस करिए सो दैट यू लर्न डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस लाइक तेलुगु, and Hindi at least. Excuse me. Also, since I am here to address about judiciary, you all know pretty much about law and judiciary. I don't have to, explain about you. But then, आपके life में बहुत सारे options है, like engineering, doctors and all. Since I am an LLB graduate, I'll let you know how it works or how it is. ठीक है? LLB करने से आप एक advocate बन सकते हैं, आप एक judge बन सकते हैं, आप एक legislator बन सकते हैं, alright? आप कुछ भी बन सकते हैं LLB. आप बड़े बड़े MNCs में, कॉर्पोरेट MNCs में आप लीगल एडवाइजर्स भी हो सकते हैं. सो LLB करने से इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द एडवोकेट और द जज. यू हैव ऑप्शंस, यू हैव मैनी ऑप्शंस आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर LLB. आपको ये इस साइड जाना नहीं है, कोर्ट जाना नहीं है, तो आप कॉर्पोरेट्स में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, लीगल एडवाइजर्स बन सकते हैं उनके. ठीक है, तो दैट ऑल ऑप्शंस यू हैव. सो उसके लिए आपको इंटरमीडिएट के बाद 5 ईयर का कोर्स करना होगा LLB का. So once you finish your 5-year course, you become a lawyer. ठीक है, once you start practicing, you become an advocate. Okay? Otherwise, आप डिग्री अगर करने का सोच रहे हैं तो डिग्री के बाद you will have to finish a 3-year course of LLB. ठीक है, इंटरमीडिएट के बाद it is 5-year course. डिग्री के बाद it is a 3-year course to finish your LLB. Alright? So उसके बाद आप कुछ भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं, to become a judge, to become an advocate, and inshallah many of you will become judges इसके बाद, and hopefully you will be called as special guest for your own school. And that is the most exciting thing, right? मैं अभी मेरे स्कूल को बहुत मिस करी. मैं ऐसे ही चले जा रही स्कूल्स को, लेकिन आई एम मिसिंग माई ओन स्कूल. ठीक है, तो दैट शुडंट हैपन टू यू. इफ़ यू हैव योर प्रिंसिपल एंड एवरीवन इज़ वेरी गुड, they're kind enough to invite you as special guest if you all become judges or achieve great heights. All right, so strive for it. And at last I want to conclude by saying that education is something which gives everyone a level playing field. Do you know what that means? Do anyone know what a level playing field is? कुछ आइडिया है लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड के बारे में? Equality. All right. Very good answer. So level playing field ऐसा है कि okay, I'll give you an example. मान लो कि आपके स्कूल के 2 floors है, right? नहीं, 4 floors है, ठीक है? The 4th floor is your dream or is your goal. All right? Let us assume that the 4th floor is your destination. All right? तो स्कूल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक आप सब लोग कैसे आएंगे? Somebody will come in cars, somebody will come on 2-wheelers, somebody will come in an auto, somebody will come by a bus, right? फर्स्ट फ्लोर, ग्राउंड फ्लोर को रीच होने के बाद, ग्राउंड फ्लोर को तो कैसे भी आ सकते हैं आप, ऑटो, बस, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, राइट? लड़के भी आते हैं, लड़कियां भी आते हैं, कोई भी आते हैं ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक, ठीक है? ग्राउंड फ्लोर से 4th फ्लोर को जाने के तरीके क्या है? राइट, आप स्टेयर्स डायरेक्टली 4th फ्लोर को चढ़ जाते हैं या फिर 1, 2, 3 एंड देन 4? राइट. तो if 4th floor is your destination, if that is your goal, if that is the highest position, education brings you all to the 1st floor. आप शायद बहुत गरीब हो, आप शायद बहुत अमीर हो, आप शायद एक लड़का हो, आप लड़की हो, आप अपर कास्ट से हो, आप लोअर कास्ट से हो, आपके पेरेंट्स डॉक्टर्स भी हो, आपके पेरेंट्स कुछ दुकान चलाते हो, कुछ भी हो, फर्स्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक तो आप सब पहुंच जाते हैं, राइट? कैसा भी पहुंच जा सकते हैं. अब अमीर है तो बेंज में आएंगे, शायद दूसरे तो 2-wheeler पे आएंगे, राइट? ऐसा कैसा भी आ सकते. लेकिन ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक आने के बाद आपको 4th फ्लोर को तो सबको 4 फ्लोर्स चढ़ना है, राइट? अभी अमीर है तो डायरेक्ट 4th फ्लोर में तो ऐसा लॉन्च तो नहीं होंगे, राइट? उनको भी 1st फ्लोर, 2nd फ्लोर, 3rd फ्लोर, 4th फ्लोर जाना है. अब लड़का हो तो डायरेक्टली 4th फ्लोर को तो नहीं जंप मारते ना, उन लोगों को भी 4 फ्लोर्स चढ़ना है. So that is what is a level playing field. Education brings you all to the ground floor. ठीक है, आप क्या भी कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो लाइफ में, आप अगर पढ़ लिए तो एजुकेशन वो जो लोग पढ़े ना उन सब लोगों को ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक लाएगी. ठीक है, ग्राउंड फ्लोर से जो आपकी मेहनत, जो आपकी हार्ड वर्क, आपकी कोशिश, that takes you to the 4th floor, right? Hope you understood my point. Education is very powerful. You will not understand at this age, but I hope you understand that education is so powerful that it upholds your dignity. It upholds your dignity and it helps not only you but also your family members. आप पढ़ना है, आप अगर पढ़ रहे, आप अगर सक्सेसफुल हो रहे, तो आप अपने लिए पढ़ रहे एक पॉइंट पे, एंड अपने कौम के लिए पढ़ रहे, अपने मुल्क के लिए पढ़ रहे, ठीक है? आप अगर सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो आपका कौम सक्सेसफुल हुए जैसा, आप अगर सक्सेसफुल हुए तो अपना मुल्क सक्सेसफुल हुए जैसा. ऑलराइट, सो try hard, focus, whatever your dream is. If you want to become a badminton player, that's fine. Any field you choose, you have to excel. Work hard. There's nothing impossible, you all might know, right? But there are times where you get disheartened, where you feel like nahi ho raha yaar, I'll leave it. But no, stay there, focus and study. And to end, I encourage every one of you to be the voice of change. Together we can shape a brighter future by using our worth to advocate for justice, equality and the well-being of all. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us and guide us to the straight path. Jazakallah. And